Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome everyone. Yeah. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be straightening my curly hair, but as you can tell my hair is already like blow dried out, and I'm putting a little bit of oil in it right now so we can get some moisture or whatever in there, but yeah, that's what we're doing today, straightening my hair because it's time to get it popping. Okay, and also I wanted to see the length of my hair, so let's get into this video right now. So as you can see, I'm already over trying to straighten this, but we're gonna do it anyway. Some lengths of my hair are kind of a little, they're not right. I need to cut my ends, so don't judge me. Your girl knows, okay? So as you can see, my hair is straight. It's not really straight, y'all. I got a lot of thick, my hair is really thick, okay? So I think that what I want to do is maybe put some curls in it, but I'm not really sure because sometimes, y'all, I'm just doing this to really like give myself what is the word, so I'll be able to do my hair with ease. It was just blow dried for a couple days, but then it reverted back to being kind of, you know, kind of nappy, which is still nappy right now. But this is the best I can do for right now. My hair is natural, so that is the reason why it's not like, you know, laying straight or anything like that. I haven't had a perm in about, shoot, maybe 8 years now, 8, 9, 10 years, something like that. So with that being said, if I excuse me, while I smoke, if I do curl it or something, I'll insert a picture or a little video or something like that. But your girl is doing this to her hair for right now. Hopefully it'll last until I have a baby. Because I need to get some braids or something in my head real quick. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me transform. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.